As the climate starts to change, fall is near and birds are setting on their way, making plans to see the ones you haven't seen here in a long time. Grandpa's hugs, mother's smile, bake the pies, fill the air with cinnamon, light the fireplace with pine cones and fresh scent, share with friends, and tell the tales of which occurred on through the year. Distant smiles, warm embrace. Have a blessed day on this joyous occasion. May you find peace, love, and harmony, filled with laughter, stuffed with carvings from the table. That's a happy Thanksgiving to you. Day on this joyous occasion, may you find peace, love, and harmony.